Yo, what's happening? I don't know what's been going on lately, man, but I really been kind of neglecting y'all with this camera, huh? I gotta get myself back in the game, man. Cause I've been neglecting y'all with this camera, but we're gonna continue on as if that has not been happening, okay? So, what I need y'all to do, if you ain't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Like this video right now, cause it's about to be fire. And if you I don't think y'all be looking at them links in the descriptions. I don't think y'all be looking at them. But anyway, my business Facebook is there, and my personal Facebook is there. I would much rather you follow me on the personal Facebook. Below Ain't It Main Farmer. Below Ain't It Main Farmer. I would rather y'all follow me on there right there, man. You know what I'm saying? On the Facebook, I post a lot of stuff on the Facebook. And a lot of stuff y'all might see before it make it to the YouTube. So, yeah, I really appreciate that. Also, if you haven't tapped in with the site, with the store, BeeloNationLLC.com, man. Father's Day coming up. Tell your woman, man, tell your girl to go ahead, grab herself some Ain't It Main booty shorts. Walk around the house, man, in as less as possible with the Ain't It Main booty shorts on. Cause that's gonna be way better than them socks and that tie she think about getting your ass. That's gonna be way better. So, yeah, that out the way. Yeah, man. We are headed down to Memphis Mike's garage, man. We're gonna walk through the whole complex, man. We're gonna go and see who got what going on. We're gonna holler at Terry. I'm gonna see what Lil Sean got going on. I'm gonna see what Marlon got going on. We're gonna walk through this thing. We're gonna see what's going on. We're gonna see what Mike got going on. I need to holler at Mike anyway, because I need some insight on what I'm about to do, man. Y'all saying I bought that roof for the box. So now, man, I'm finna go ahead and cut that roof, man. So I'm finna get everything prepared. I'm finna take the, go ahead and take all my trim off, take the interior out, and yeah, get ready to cut that hole in that box, man. So we can get that top put up there. I gotta get my dog Brand Nasty. Gotta get him to come down there and wheel that motherfucker in now. And that dude hanging outside the damn tow truck. Damn, dude. Yeah, I gotta get him to come down there, man, and put that old wheel down on it. Once I get out my measurements and all that right there, I've been looking at Sprayway. Shout out to Sprayway, man. Shout out to Sprayway. Hey, that's the most detailed video I done seen on putting a panoramic roof in a box. Like, he went through every step, like even up to the body work. I ain't doing no body work. Once I get it in there, I'm gonna fiberglass it. As long as I'm a fiberglass, once I get it in there, fiberglass them edges, and I'm gonna sand it down. I'm gonna sand it down, and, you know, yeah, I'll sand it down. Give me a sander, sand it down, and then I'm gonna put some prime on it, and I'm gonna send it wherever it's gonna go, whoever's gonna paint it. Cause yeah, I said that I'm gonna go back same color, but I don't know yet. So I ain't got no color for it yet. I ain't got no name for it yet. So I'm probably get y'all to, man, shoot some names out there in the comments. As a matter of fact, yeah, man, shoot some names down in the comments, man. I'm gonna write down all the names. Shoot some names down in the comments. I might go to IG, shoot some names, get them to shoot some names. I might go live, get y'all shoot some names. I need some names for the box, man. But yeah, Let me slow him down here to Mike. Damn, I'm gonna say MayRose. Let's slow him down here to Memphis Mike shop, man. And see what he got going on. Get some insight on what I need to do. And yeah, see what else these guys got going on down here, man. Get y'all in a second. Yeah, I probably can hear some boom boom in the boom boom. So let's go see what we got around this corner here. Let's see what we got around the corner. What's going up, team member? And my club brother right there. What's going on?
Yeah, where you come from?
Man, I scooted around the backside on you.
Oh.
Yeah. Y'all see what's going on? LT7.
Oh, no. You gone for the day?
Yeah. That boy got that 3-inch life now. He don't know how to act.
Yeah, I just wanted it. Something different. I like the way they sound though. They deep and tall.
Yeah. That 3-inch real loud for no reason.
Yeah.
It's for a reason.
Same vocals I had. Same
Real.
vocals, I just changed it.
Yeah. I gotta start on mine.
I love it.
Man, hey, we gotta find one of these, dog. I need one too. We gotta find one of these. I need one too.
I'm gonna tell you, like this one, it actually just all these years, I never took this off. You know, this come off.
Ah.
It's chrome, but I just never took it off.
Never
I
took
don't
it
know
off.
if they had it replaced or not. But I'm gonna tell you, the one from a car like Big Mo, that's what I'm looking for. It's metal. It's real metal. Like this ain't nothing. This look plastic shit.
Yeah.
But it'll fit. The one from Mo car, it'll fit.
Okay.
So I don't see nobody selling them no more. Nigga, you
Right.
have on marketplace or something like $100. I can't find it. I'm not always there when they got to find it.
That's all. I looked at mine the other day. I was like, man, this ain't gonna work.
And I ain't want to take it off.
Right? It's gonna look out.
Really looks ugly.
Yeah.
It ain't been painted under
Big penny.
there. Thursday, finna go and put that turbo on that thing, man.
That shit crazy. You almost failed. The door ain't closed. My wheel's big as fuck. That shit look so. That shit look crazy. And niggas see that car a million times. I guess it's how it's sitting. I damn near want to go H9. Huh? But I'm gonna put it, if I'm, well, I'll talk to you about it. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Ain't man himself. Man, I'm coming to here, just look, I'm just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there. Man, hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Mine Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Mine Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man. And yeah, enjoy those. Enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video.
Nah, we gonna get the before and after. We ain't gonna worry about it. We know what it's gonna be like when it's running. There ain't no hope with you. That motherfucker clean. Damn. I don't know. That person? Y'all see what's going on? Got Marlin. Got old Regal Limited in here. Finna get that work. The old 442 back there. So he ain't had a whole lot going on. Ooh, this just pulled up. I need to start going down to the shop more. Cause I done got motivated to work on my car. Looking at them boys down there, man. The person pulled up. Yeah. I need to go and do something. I need to go and zip tie some stuff out the way or something. I need to go do something. But yeah, man, I'm gonna close this video out, man. Good seeing y'all again, man. Like I said, y'all check them links, man. Go ahead, comment, like, subscribe, man. All that good stuff right there, man. Hit the bell so y'all get all the notifications when I post. And, it's your dog, Big Beelo, Mr. Ain't Mine himself. I'll catch y'all in the next one, man.